I welcome you all to this event and wish you luck. May I request Fifth Master, Mrs. Madhu Arora, our Chief Dietitian, to commence the show. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, Reema. And good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all of you. We will now start the quiz, and before that I would like to introduce the whole team of the dietitians of the dietetics department to you. At the scoreboard we have dietitian Nikita and Chanpreet, and for the audience we have Neeru, Anita, Renu and intern Ekta. Reema has already welcomed you, and we have dietitian Ramandeep with us as the organizer. We will be having 7 rounds in all, and each round has 10 marks each, and you will be given 30 seconds for the round. Yes, understood? Are the teams ready?
Yes, ma'am.
And for the first 4 rounds, the question will be passed to the audience. So audience, be alert. And I think sir will be able to answer most of the questions. So audience quiz. So all the rounds will be passed to the audience instead of being passed to the other team. Yes, very clear? So all the best teams. Already running short of time. Now the first round. We have the first round, which is the naming and the recognition round. Yes, and the first question will be for Team A. Team A, I can't see your computerized numbers. Yes, I should know that. Team A, B, C and D. Yes? So most of the rounds are visual rounds. So you just have to see the slide and identify whatever is there. And 30 seconds. Buzzer will be there. I don't think you will require 30 seconds. Question number 1 for Team A in the naming and recognition round. Identify the superfruit in the slide.
Dragon fruit.
Yes?
Dragon fruit.
Absolutely right. Correct answer. 10 marks for Team A. And question for Team B now. Name the fruit which is hanging there from the tree. Name this fruit which is hanging from the tree. It has a lot of nutritive value, rich in antioxidants. Wherever I feel there are hints required, I will be doing.
Emptier.
Excuse me, that is just Team B has to answer. Yes?
Emptier.
No, that's the wrong answer. Now the question goes to the audience. Anybody from the audience? Which is this fruit which is hanging from the tree? Please stand up and say. No, that's not the right answer. And one more chance for the audience, then I'll have to give the right answer. Anybody? It's a little mysterious because you can't see the inner portion and it's just hanging. So I would like to give the answer and I'll get the gift. Yes, Nikita? So the answer is avocado. It's avocado fruit. Now, question for Team C. Yes, Team C, are you ready? Identify the fruit in the slide. Absolutely right. Correct answer, 10 marks for Team C. Now question for Team D. Identify the vegetable in the center. Right in the center?
Broccoli.
Yes. Correct answer, 10 marks. That's the question for Team D. We have 4 teams now. Yes? Very good. I think you must have seen broccoli down there. Absolutely right. Can we have the scores, please, Nikita?
After the first round, the team A is at 10 points. Team C and D are also at 10 points. And Team B still has to open up their account.
Team B, buck up now. Yes? Now, we are now going to start with the second round, which is the clinical question round. We have total in all 7 rounds. So now the question for Team A, that's home science college? Team A, that's home science college? Now question for you. What is this condition condition known as? I want the right word. What is this condition known as? In a particular disease, this is the condition.
Diabetes.
Okay, that's the disease. Can you say what is it exactly? That's the disease. Because my question is, what is this condition known as? Because if I ask you which disease it is related to, that is would have been the right answer. So now I am asking, what is the condition known as? Time is up. Anybody from the audience? Anybody from the audience, sir?
Gangrene.
Yes, absolutely right. You would have said that. I would have said the marks. Now there are no marks for the audience, but there are gifts for the audience. So gift for the somebody from Yamunanagar, yes? Yeah, gift for her. Absolutely right. Now question for team B. The second round question for team B, which is the team from GNG College. Here is a symptom of a nutritional deficiency. What is this nutritional deficiency? What is the nutritional deficiency that you can see in the picture? Usually most of our adolescents are. You can see the tongue. It's not the normal color.
Ma'am, I take vitamin C.
Yes?
Vitamin C.
No, that's not the right answer. Now the question goes to the audience. Yes? That's
Folic acid.
You're somewhere near? Yes? No?
Is it glycositis?
It's iron deficiency. She was near that. It's iron deficiency. That's the main tongue that is missing. So you can give quotes to her or maybe the gift to her.
Pernicious anemia.
Anything you could have said, you could have got a prize. Anything would do. Now the question goes to team C, that's LPU, Lovely Professional University. Which vitamin deficiency results in such a condition? It's very common.
Vitamin C.
Absolutely right. 10 marks for team C from Lovely Professional University. Now the question for team D, that's from Government Homicide PA College. Which procedure is this patient undergoing? You can see this machine and see what's happening. What is the procedure? I want the name of the procedure. In a particular disease, this kind of a procedure is undertaken. No prompting, please. You can just guess it from the machine. Wait, you get a chance. Don't worry.
Dialysis.
Absolutely right. 10 marks for team B. Nikita, is there any confusion? No? Let's have the scores, please.
So after the second round, the team A has 10 points, team B with no points, and team C and D are at 20 points.
Let's give them a big hand. Now, we now start with the third round. Third round, the question for team A.
Excuse me.
You're blocking the way. Let's go just a minute. All of the following are needed for strong bones except
Honey.
absolutely right answer, 10 marks. Question for team B. Team B from Yamunanagar. Which of the following is the best source of omega-3 fatty acid? The best source of omega-3 fatty acid.
And corn oil.
No, that's not the right answer. Just a minute. Audience, anybody from the audience there? Neelu, somebody wants to answer? No, that's not the right answer.
Flaxseed.
Sardines, Zati will not get the prize because that's small oily sardines, small oily fish. They are the richest, they are the best source of omega-3 fatty acid. Congratulations, Mrs. Latipuri. Now, the question for team C, that is LPU. Which mineral is needed to prevent birth defect?
Silicate.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely right. 10 marks. I was expecting you to give that answer. Absolutely right. Very good. Now for team D. Yes, Government College, DA. Fruits like mango, papaya, peach, apricots. They are all rich in. You have to tell me which. A, B, C or D.
Vitamin A.
Yes?
Vitamin A.
Just be a bit louder.
Vitamin A.
Absolutely right answer. Because in that category they are of course rich in vitamin C also, but here the answer is vitamin A. Yes, let's have the score please, Nikita.
After the round 3, Team A 20 points, Team B with no points, Team C and D, they both are at 30 points.
Wine is there, red wine is there and beer is there. Time is over and that was also the wrong answer. Now audience. Yes ma'am. Yes, here I can give it to Mrs. Sapna Nanda. Absolutely right. You are a good hand. You are that bit of weak, we all know that and others do not contain that. So what is the price for ma'am Sapna Nanda? Have you given her the price? Okay, that's good, that's good. Now question number 2. That's right. Question number 2. That's for team B, GNG College. Which one of these are allowed in celiac disease? Again, the question is from celiac disease. Which one is allowed? We know what is restricted in the celiac disease. So just think. You can see in picture 1 sausages. All non-vegetarians will be familiar with this. Down there in the red you can see salami, and then here is the seekh kebab, and there you can see it's mutton. So which one of these are allowed in celiac disease? Means you can take it without bothering your problem.
Ma'am, salami.
No, that's not the right answer. Yes, audience? Absolutely right, give a prize because all of these things they are mixed with either corn flour or a starchy or such an agent which is rich in gluten. Only mutton, which is because it's the raw form we are talking about. So that was the right answer. Now team C, LPU, ready? They are all smiling as if they know it beforehand. Which cereal is allowed for a patient with celiac disease? You can see barley, you can see wheat, you can see corn, and you can see rye. Yes? Absolutely right answer. 10 marks. Now, team D, question 4. Let's have the slide, please, Ekta. Patients with celiac disease can eat which of one of the items? They can eat which one of the items? Kulcha chana. If in a party they are served all these 4 things and they know they have a problem, then which one item can they have? Can they have suji upma? Can they have a kulcha? Or can they have a naan? Or can they have a besan pura? Absolutely right answer. 10 marks. Provided the besan is from the right source and there is no mixture in that because there is so much of adulteration. So we do tell our celiac patients that always see the contents of the tin from where you are buying. So with this we are ending the round 4. And now can we have the scores please?
After the round 4, Team A is at 20 points, Team B no points, Team C and D both are at 40 points.
Let's give them a big hand.